This is VoroMotors, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Dualtron Thunder. Here we go. Inside every styrofoam, there should be some screws, the remote control, the toolkit, the caps for the front tires, and the charger for the Dualtron. Now, taking the scooter out, it weighs approximately 100 pounds, so I recommend that you get a buddy to help you take it out of the box. So once out of the box, you're gonna need to fix the stem to stand it up, and this is the best way to do it. So once folded out, you're gonna need to fix the handlebars first. So you squeeze it here in the middle, so they both come down to the middle, and then you fold the first one, and then you fold the second one up. There you go. And you tighten this in here, and you're all set. All right, so once you got the handlebars out, what you could do is turn on the LCD. It's not turning on, so the best thing to check is the kill switch. And what's up here is the LCD throttle, the power, different modes, the emergency brakes, the single or dual motor, comes and brakes on both sides. The next step is installing this latch that goes onto this. It's for when it's folded, and you grab this and your toolkit and you install it in the back. Once you're done installing the latch, you can fold it down. So we can lock on there. And that's how it's supposed to lock right there. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab the bolt covers for the tires and install them. 2, 3, and 4. So the next step is the controller, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plastic out of there and turn on the scooter, and this right here will let you know what kind of lights it has. The Dualtron Thunder comes with 3 charging ports. 1, 2, and 3. These 2 back here serve to charge the battery. Once you get the charger, you're gonna plug it in, and the light has to turn red, which lets you know that it's charging. The Dualtron Thunder comes with 12-inch wide deck, wide enough for both feet. Also, another thing of the Dualtron Thunder, it comes with fully hydraulic brakes, the kickstand, and 3-step variable suspension system. The Dualtron Thunder also comes with 2 11-inch tubeless tires for a more comfortable and safe ride. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And any questions or anything you need, make sure you drop some comments in the comment section. Thank you so much.